Hello, I'm Dr. Norma Jones with 3 quick tips to master your moves. Conquer fidgeting to command your speech. Our command routine combines first, taking deep breaths, second, imagining that you are moving underwater, and third, wearing noisy bracelets. These 3 ideas can be combined to help you conquer fidgeting during your speeches. Let's start with taking deep breaths. If you feel yourself getting nervous, take a deep breath or two to help calm yourself during your speech. Breathe in and out using your nose. When you take your deep breaths, count to 4 for both inhaling and exhaling. Second, imagine that you are moving underwater. Make a conscious effort to slow down your movements. You might think of it as you are doing a slow-motion underwater dance, with the water softly slowing your actions. Third, wear noisy bracelets. It is helpful to wear 1 or more noisy bracelets on both wrists. Practice wearing the bracelets during your rehearsals. You can also put them on right before you speak. This way, your bracelets will be noisy and distracting if you fidget or move your hands around excessively when you speak. So remember, for your next big speech, conquer fidgeting by first, taking deep breaths, second, imagining that you are moving underwater, and third, wearing noisy bracelets. These 3 ideas can be combined to help you conquer fidgeting during your speeches. Don't forget to subscribe as we continue to create more content to help you communicate with confidence. I'm Dr. Norma Jones. Thank you for watching.